In this lesson, I will explain to you the concept of horizontal multiplication of polynomials. Right, so these are the two polynomials. This is binomial because it has two term 1 and 2, and this is trinomial, it has three term 1, 2 and 3. Right, so here we are learning horizontal multiplication, and this is binomial, so there is no sign between these two parentheses. It means that there is the multiplication sign. You should know, if between two parentheses there is no sign, there is always a multiplication, or you can represent multiplication by dot. If you will see this dot between these two parentheses, it means multiplication. Otherwise, everyone knows that this is the multiplication sign, right? So again, I will explain to you that how we multiply in algebra. When we multiply the coefficient, and this is called the coefficient, and we add the exponent of the same base. This is very important point. You have to add, in multiplication you have to add the exponent, or we can say power, of the same variable or the same base. See, this is x square, x square. If it would be x square and y square, so I cannot add I will explain to you this in the next example, but here all are x, so it is very easy. You have to multiply 2x square first with this parenthesis, and then we will multiply positive x with this parenthesis. So start with this first. So 2 3 times 6, see, 3 2 times 6, so this is 6 x square, x square. So we have to add the exponent. So this is 2 plus 2 4, it would be x power 4. And then you have to multiply 2x square with x square, it will be 2x4, right? 2 1 time 2, it does not have any coefficient, it means it has one coefficient, and this is exponent 2, which would be equal to exponent 4. And then this is minus. Very careful, you should be very careful in the sign of negative in algebra. So 2x square, negative 2x square. Now you have to multiply with plus or positive x. So see, it does not have any coefficient, it means it is 1. Coefficient you have to multiply 1 3 times 3, which is 3, and this is x, so it will be x cube. It does not have any exponent, it means it is 1, so 2 plus 1 3. Then x and this x square, so it would be x cube, and then x minus 1, which is minus x. Now in the next step you have to add or subtract of the same power. See, this is 6x4 plus 2x4, and this is minus 2x square. So you do not have any a square, it will remain the same here. 3x cube, positive x cube, minus x, negative x, you do not have any x, so it will remain the same here as well. So 6 plus 2, 8x4. Now here we are doing addition. In addition, you do not have to add the exponent of the same basis or same variable. Here we are doing addition, so it would only you have to add the coefficient. 6 plus 2 8, x4 will remain the same. But if it is multiplication, you have to multiply the coefficient and add the exponent. This is very important point. And then minus 2x square will remain the same. This is positive 3x cube, positive x cube. It does not have any coefficient, it means 1, so it is 4x cube minus x, and this is the answer. And this is the horizontal multiplication. See, I did this multiplication in one line. This is the horizontal multiplication. We will discuss one more example. Here you have to multiply x cube plus x square, multiply by this parenthesis. Again, there is no sign. You have to be very careful about the signs or operation. If they do not have any sign between the parentheses, it means multiplication. You can represent the multiplication with the dot sign or with the multiplication. Everyone knows this sign. So first we will multiply x cube with this parenthesis, then plus z square with this parenthesis, right? Again, coefficient you have to multiply, power you have to add. Z cube, z square, it would be z 5 and 1 3 times 3, it will remain 3 1 times 3. Then z cube plus, and this is z square plus z5, and then negative z cube, right? So we finish with z cube, and now plus z square 3z4. Now you have to multiply this 3 and 2 plus 2 4 z4, then plus z4 minus z square. What is the next step? With the same power again we will make it together 3z5 plus z5. This is 3 minus z cube. We do not have any cube here. This is z4. We have 2z4. So 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4z5. Here now we are doing addition and subtraction. So here in addition and subtraction, no need to add the exponent. Only in the case of multiplication we add, right? So it will be 4z power 5 minus z cube will remain the same. This is 3z4. No coefficient, it means there is 1. So 3 plus 1, 4z4 minus z square, and this is our answer. We will discuss one more question in order to understand the concept of the horizontal multiplication. So 4y square plus x square plus z, here we have y, z and x. So you should be very careful. First you have to multiply 4y square with this parenthesis, then plus x square within this parenthesis, and then plus z with this parenthesis. There is no sign. First you have to see if there are any sign. No sign between these two parentheses. Multiplication you can represent with the dot, or you can with the multiply sign. So in multiplication you have to multiply the coefficient 4 3 times 12. So this is 12. You have to add the power y square, which will equal to y power 4. Positive 4 h square y square. You can write down y square here and then h square here, but in alphabetically h comes before y, that is why I have written h square here. So 4 h square y square, and then minus 4 y square k square, or y square k square, right? So this finished. Now we have to multiply x square by this. So x square 3x square y square, x square h square, or minus k square h x square. Then with positive z, 3z or 3y square z, positive h square z, and then negative k square z, right? Then what is the next step? You have to find out if the same power, right? So this is y4. We do not have any y4. It will remain the same. Just try h square y square. So we do not have any h square y square, remains same. This is for k square y square. K square y square. Is there any k square y square? No, we have k square x square. So I think we do not have any pair or anything. So this is the answer. If you do not have anything same, you cannot add or subtract. So this is the answer. So in this lesson you have learned the horizontal multiplication of polynomials. In the next lesson we will learn the vertical multiplication of polynomials. If you have any question, you can write down in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube, Sci My Academy. Thanks for watching.